It's Mr. Champlin here. Uh, this week we've been going over theorems about proving parallelograms, but in these videos I want to show formulas that are going to help you prove the parallelograms in coordinate geometry using like graphs and points and the XY axis. Okay. For this video, this is the third out of three, and this one is going to focus on the midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula is going to be a point such as AB, which is going to equal x1 plus x2 over 2. That will be your x value. And your y value will be y1 plus y2 over 2. And it's going to be the halfway point in between 2 points. Okay, and another way, this formula shows that the points will be AB, but another way to say the midpoint is to use a capital M. Okay. All right. Again, kind of like the distance formula, if this is a little confusing, let's do the example to really make a point. Okay. All right. So the example says find the midpoint of the line in the line that passes through A and B. And the points of A and B are 2, 5, and B is 6, 1. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to assign x, y values for A and B. Okay, so for A, I did x1 and y1. So x1 is going to equal 2, and y1 is going to equal 5. And for B, I assigned x2 and y2 for B. So B is going to, or 6 is going to equal x2, and 1 is going to equal y2. So let's plug it in the formula to see what it looks like. Okay, so plugging it into the midpoint formulas, you're going to get 2 plus 6 over 2 for your x value, and your y value is going to be 5 plus 1 over 2. All right, so let's plug these in and see what we get for the midpoint value. So 2 plus 6 equals 8, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. So you're going to get 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So your midpoint value is going to be 4 and 3. Well, let's look at this on the chart. All right, so let's go over right first. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then you got 3. So you got 1, 2, 3, 3, and yep, that is exactly what I got. 4, 3. Checking this. All right, guys. Hopefully this tutorial helped out for the midpoint formula. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Gloss or I, Mr. Champlin, through Google Classroom or email. Best of luck and on to your practice. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.